That was a nice little walk here to from the King Rama I monument to the city shrine. It's an impressive structure. Let's go in and have a look and learn a little bit more about the City Pillar Shrine. So this was actually first built in 1969, and it was just a little kind of a small wooden structure with a tin roof. But in 2006 there was major renovations, and this was constructed in 2006. The thing I do appreciate already here in Buri Ram is there was the Rama I monument, even here at the City Pillar Shrine, that they're actually active places of people for worship. So while I've been visiting here, I've seen a lot of people coming to pay their respects, to offer gifts, to lay wreaths. Well, they're not called wreaths, they're to offer flowers, burn incense and pray at these places. So they're not just landmarks, but they're actually active places of worship and prayer. So I've just been reading about this city, the location of the City Pillar Shrine, and this is actually the first place that King Rama I stopped. That's what I've read anyway. So this, when King Rama I travelled to this area, this was his first stopping point, and that's why this was chosen as the site for the City Pillar Shrine. Now right next to it is also a Chinese shrine of some sort as well, so we're going to go and have a look at that. Very peaceful place here. The incense burning, very calm, nice shaded area. We can hear that music though. It's the kind of music you hear getting a massage in a traditional Thai massage, a relaxing massage. It's kind of gentle music, so it's very nice, very calm here. I feel good. So now it's time to leave the City Pillar Shrine and head to the Khmer temple called Phanom Rung, and it's a little bit out of town, so I'm not going to be walking there. So it'll give me a chance as I travel out there to study up and read about the place. Again, I can see the familiar nagas on each point. Based on my understanding of the Naga and Khmer Kingdom and the Khmer temples, the Hindu style temples, they were guarding this place, this holy place. Also, I can see this above the doors. I've been studying up a little bit about the Phanom Rung, and these lintels, these motifs that are above the doorways actually have a lot of significance, because from what I've read, they were indeed stolen and sold and and scattered all over the world. So there's a few stories about these things and the challenges faced on returning some of these products to their rightful places. So anyway, let's head to the ancient temple.